Too much theory, not enough real application. This is exactly where many learners lose track. Concepts remain abstract, motivation drops, and transferring knowledge into practice often becomes a challenge. At the same time, educators face increasing pressure, delivering job-relevant skills, ensuring safety, and preparing learners for real-world careers, despite limited time and growing expectations. But what if learning became tangible again, structured, hands-on, and efficient? This is exactly where UniTrain from LN comes in. With UniTrain, you bring real practice directly into your classroom. Learners work with real systems, perform measurements, and experience technical concepts firsthand. Not just by listening, but by applying knowledge themselves. And the key difference? UniTrain enables active learning for the entire class. Everyone works, everyone measures, everyone understands. Passive listeners become active practitioners. UniTrain covers the entire world of technical education, from electrical engineering and electronics to measurement technology, digital technology, control engineering, energy, automation, and automotive technology. Learners analyze real signals, investigate control loops, understand electrical machines, or work on complex systems, always directly on the system and always with a clear, practical context. For foundational training, UniTrain with its 2mm plug-in system offers maximum freedom in circuit design. Learners develop their own solutions, test them, and deepen their understanding through independent work. This is where knowledge becomes real competence. This is where the decisive value becomes clear: real experience learning. By combining UniTrain with the digital learning environment RXLea, practical experience becomes a structured learning process. Learners are guided through tasks, apply their knowledge directly, and gradually develop real, hands-on competence. At the same time, you gain more structure and efficiency. Learning progress becomes easier to track, processes become more transparent, and preparation effort is significantly reduced, without losing the focus on hands-on practice. The result? Higher motivation, greater engagement, and most importantly, real competence. Whether in the lab, the classroom, or training environments, UniTrain enables hands-on learning at every level. Bring more practice, motivation, and competence into your training with UniTrain from LN. Would you like to learn more? Then let's take the next steps together.